Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need a compatible iPhone running iOS 15 or later, and the app must support mic mode. Once ready, grant microphone access in Settings Privacy and Security Microphone so the app can use mic mode. Then start the FaceTime call, phone call, or open voice memos to begin. Once the call or recording is active, swipe to Open Control Center. Make sure your audio device is local, not misrouted to a headset. Now you're ready for mic selection. With the call or recording live, open Control Center, swipe down from the top right corner. Tap Mic Mode, which shows standard, voice isolation, and wide spectrum. Choose voice isolation to prioritize your voice and suppress background noise. For apps without mic mode but with recording, use Voice Memos Enhance Recording switch. It applies similar processing. Make sure the app isn't routing audio to a Bluetooth headset, since some headsets bypass iPhone processing. Once selected, speak naturally and reposition the phone for best pickup. Finish by making a 10-20-second test call or recording and play it back to confirm improved clarity. Listen for reduced ambient noise and consistent vocal presence. If voice isolation isn't available, make sure iOS and the app are updated, then restart the iPhone and try again. If you still hear issues, disable any Bluetooth audio device so processing runs locally, close background apps that use the mic, and retry. These steps usually restore voice isolation when it's been unexpectedly unavailable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.